Hi everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nick Decor. So we are finishing up those purple coasters that we made, was it last week?
Yeah, about a week ago.
This is the purple amethyst, right? That was,
Yeah.
I think that was a color on
Yeah.
it. So what Jeff is doing is just doing the seal coat on the coasters with the Wise Bond tabletop epoxy. And the seal coat just kind of, it does what it says. It's in the name.
Seals the wood.
It also makes all the colors start to pop and be very pretty, which is what I'm excited about. And I apologize now if you're going to hear dogs barking because both of them are apparently in and out of here tonight.
And the door's open.
I left the door open because I knew that Bartok was following me. So that was intentional. Door openage. Yes, because he so rarely comes out here, and since he was following me out here, I figured might as well leave the door open for him. I think I'm liking this purple color.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice.
I can't wait to see what the cutting boards are gonna look like, or the serving board that you made. I don't know why I said plural. There's only one. In my head, you made like 5.
Wow.
So this is just the first of the final steps. After this, you do a flood coat over this.
Yes. After this, we'll do a flood coat. We'll scuff it down to 220 and do our flood coat, and then we just seal the bottoms with some lacquer or some polyurethane.
Well, I'm hoping they heard you. You're very quiet.
Sorry.
I know you feel like you're talking to me, but you're talking to many other people, dear. So he's just going around the edges and just making sure that he coats all sides of the coasters. And that's really popping. This is the maple wood.
This is not maple.
If you tell me it's oak, I'm going to smack you. Because
I'm betting this one's oak.
because we go through this every single time.
I know. I can guarantee you this one is not maple.
Okay. I'm going to go back and watch the other video.
Yeah, right there. That's maple. This is
This
not
is maple?
Yeah. Big difference.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
What are we judging by, grain?
The grain, yeah.
Okay. So you're saying that maple is less grainy than oak? Because this is less grainy.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, you're the wood guy.
It's a tighter grain.
Maple's a tighter grain?
Yeah.
You have a lot of random knowledge in your head.
Sorry.
No, that's good. That you're dealing with wood products. That you have random wood knowledge. It's a bonus. Now you got me looking at other coasters.
Those are all maple.
I assume this is maple because this again has the tighter
It's got
grain.
that almost a tiger. It's got that tiger grain to it.
So that's how you know when I always ask you if it's maple or oak, you know by looking at the grain?
Yeah.
See, I assumed you were judging by color.
No,
Because that's what I'm judging by.
color too, obviously.
Although these are darker. These are already getting darker than
well, yeah,
the
flip it over
mapley
and
ones.
flip it over and you'll see, what it originally.
Wow, these are coming out blue looking on my phone.
I told you something's goofy on the color on your phone.
I can't do anything about it. It's a new phone. I haven't figured out that feature yet. But it's weird because before you coated them, they looked very, very purpley. It's all in how the light is. Like if I get it at just the right angle, you can see the legit color. I think my phone just likes to make our viewers dizzy.
Yeah.
So these are amethyst purple, not indigo blue like they look. It's a pretty blue. You should see this blue.
No, it sort of looks purpley.
So what he's doing now is just going through with the torch and popping any of the air bubbles. Rick says, I like the grain showing more than the others, sharp. So he likes the oak ones better than the maple ones, is what he's saying. Since we've learned that difference tonight.
I didn't learn it. You learned it.
I said we as a whole, as in me and the rest of the Facebook community. See, I wasn't counting you in my we.
You in the world?
mean the world.
I'm glad I could enlighten you in the world.
So am I. Black walnut, I know. I know we haven't made any black walnut coasters in forever.
Right. Well,
We haven't done them in the new boards or new frames.
Exactly. So.
So I don't know if you guys got a chance to take a peek at our Facebook page today. Jeff finished up that snazzy jewelry box and posted the pictures of it. I was gonna, swerve over to it, but we brought it in to
keep
to
it
set up
from
and
getting
take
dusty.
pictures. Yeah.
Yeah, now that it's finished, I had to remove it from the shop so it didn't get covered in dust. So.
All right. So is this all we have then for tonight?
That's it. I'm all set with that project there. And like I said, it's this is the seal coat. Seal coat is primarily there to seal the wood grain. When this is dry tomorrow, I'll scuff them with 220 and hit them again with the final flood pour, and they'll be nice and shiny. And from there, we'll seal the bottoms, and they'll be ready for purchase.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos, and you guys have a good night.